Today in this CodeChamp class, I'm going to tell you that how you can make the trail something like this, which is moving like this. Okay, so now let's start with this. First of all, I'm just going to file, take a new page. And as the page will come, I want to choose a backdrop. So first of all, I'm going to choose the backdrop of this light. Now my background is here. Now I just want to take one heart. I'm taking this heart face and I want that if I will move it, it will change the trail color. So first of all, I just want to change the background color. I'm clicking here and I want it dark. So I'm taking it blue and now come back. The coding is regarding the trail. So first of all, in the heart shape coding, we want to set the position of this heart. So first we will come to event, choose when click. When click means when we will click on the green flag. Now in the motion we will choose go to X and Y. This is X and Y so that you can understand the position of the heart. Now I want that my heart will move as I will move the mouse. So come to control and choose forever. And then I'm controlling it, go to mouse pointer. Remember this is go to random position. But click on this arrow and choose go to mouse pointer and keep it here. Now you can see as I'm moving my mouse, no need to click, just simple move the mouse smoothly, it is moving with it. Now I want it will be duplicated. I want to copy this heart. So for doing the copy the heart, what I will do, I will come to the control option and I will choose create clone myself. Clone means it will copy the heart. As you can see, as I'm moving, it's also copying everywhere. Okay, so I want to erase it. First of all, so what I will choose, come to the pen option. How I have opened this pen, click on this extension, choose this pen option and then it will be open. Now take erase all and keep it here. So if I will move my mouse, it is also moving and if I will click on one click, then everything will be erased. Now I want to make the trail. I don't want that it will be like this. So what I will do, I will come to control and choose when I start as a clone. It means if our heart has copied, then come to control and choose repeat. You can choose repeat 10, 20, 30, it's your choice. I want it will repeat 10 times with different colors. So I'm choosing this change color effect. Why? So now you can see it is repeating but with a different color and it's moving properly. Yes, you can see it's moving like this and very smoothly. But the problem is this, at the back side it is showing the yellow part. It's looking odd. So I want to change this also. For this, I will come to motion and choose change X by 10. The purpose of change X by 10, it will change the position. See, as I'm moving, it is moving with it. But still, yellow part is there. So I want to delete it. How we will do? Come to control and just simply choose delete clone and keep it here. Now, as I will move my mouse, it is moving smoothly. As I have taken 10, so it is 10 times. If I'm tapping here 50. Now you can see it will come 50 times. If I will type here 20, it will come 20 times. This is the number of it. So it's depend on you how many numbers you want, it will go with that. So right now, as per my opinion, 10 is perfect. So it's moving. And also it's incomplete without the music. So I also want to set the music here for doing it. What I will do, I will come here on the event and again choose when click, again choose forever and choose the music. You can choose any music as per your choice. For this, I'm clicking on the sound option. Click here and I want one dancing music. So I'm taking this one. Come back to code and choose play sound until done. So now if I will play the music and the motion, all will come. Hey. Nice. I hope the code is completely clear for you. So now let's start.